Hello everyone and welcome to today's video. Last time I explained transformer parameters. Today we'll look at how to protect the transformer. The single line diagram on the screen is the one we finished earlier. Click the transformer to see all the parameters we've talked about. Today we will look at the time and current curves. When you click on the time current curves for selectivity, you will see the feedback. DOCweb has already done the calculations, and they look correct. The time current curves are in the right-hand column. To see them in more detail, just click Expand, and they will show up here. Here you can see the current curves for the transformer, the medium protection relays, and the different cables. The dark blue curve shows the transformer. This curve also marks 3-second withstand point. Any protection in the system should trip before this point. Here you see the medium voltage relay, the cables, and the transformer. This is how the time current curve should look to protect the transformer. DOCweb has calculated everything, including the cable sizing, and it all looks correct. Now, what does this plus sign do? If you click it, you can add the current curve to your single line drawing. This way, the time current curves show up right on your drawing, making them easy to see. That's all for today. As you can see, DOCweb does many calculations for us, including protection settings. Remember, you might need to adjust these settings to make sure your system is properly protected. Please join us for future videos, where we'll look at other components in more detail. I hope you found this video helpful. Thank you, and have a great day.